Hello YouTube. This time I will sharing about my experience, what how to make a boiling line. Okay, boiling line. It means on Adobe Animate CC. This is a circle, and we want to boil. You can draw any character with. So this is simply character. Okay, this in the first frame. This is you can you can change this draw to the symbol. You drag with selection tool and press F8, and you rename it or not, it's up to you. Okay, and we we enter to this symbol. Okay, and then we copy that frame with hit the F6, and it is. And then in the frame tool, we smooth by the selection tool, smoothing. Okay, we smooth 1, 2. Okay, that's enough. 2. And then we press F5, 1, 2, and this 1, 2. Okay, back to the scenes 1, and we came to the third second and press F5. Okay, this is a boiling forever for your character. Or this is apa? Too slow, you can delete by click Shift F5 to reduce the layer, and this is your Shift F5 again, and then you back to the scene 1 and see what happened. Boiling, right? Okay, this is boiling line from for the Adobe Animate. Sorry for my bad English. Thank you.